dun dun dun! Animal Company update. Animal Company update. Wait, let me just. Oh yeah, I forgot. I tried to figure.
Oh my god, I have these unlocked. I have this.
Wait, new big man? I don't know. What is this though? I've been trying to figure out what this is. On. What's, oh, there's a new quest. Find 5 clovers, golden 4-leaf clover. Wait. Oh. There has to be one in here. Obviously. It's the one around. I still. Oh, behind these boxes? Behind these boxes would be cool. Crap. It is so dark in here. There's probably not. I can't find it. We'll try and find it later. But Animal Company updates. Okay. Don't buy the honeybee. Yo. Is this like a radar? Okay. Oh! It is a radar. Now what do I do with the clover? Do I eat it? What can it do? Stop it. Stop it. What do I do with it? It's just a clover now. I guess I just stored it in my backpack. Big bag, big bag. Wait. Please tell me there's one in the toilet. No. It sounds like it's somewhere over here. I don't see it. Wait, is it talking about the one that I stored in my... What if I sell it? Give me the money. Actually pretty decent. So there is one over here. I swear I just saw it over here. Come on. Is it above me? It probably is, actually. Oh. It's bleeping. It's beeping like crazy. It's saying it's right next to me. But where is it? It's in this general area. I see it! I was right next to it too. I want that golden clover. Whatever it does. Money talk. Money doesn't talk. Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep. I'm a sheep. Oh. Oh crap. It's gonna take me forever to find if it's in here. I think I see something up there. I think I see something. Bam, bam, ba, 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 bam. What if I just skadinkle? What if? Oh yeah, I forgot I'm rich again. Skadoosh! I knew it. I love that noise. Okay, let's find it. Ooh, got something. It's probably on the outer layer. Is it in this closet? It's definitely around here somewhere. Oh, I'm getting lots of. Wait, is it on top of there? Oh, I think it is. I think it is. I think it is. Now is it now? Now is it? Is it now? Is it? It's saying it's like right here. Where? I just heard my balloon pop. By what? Yo, I'm scared now. Wait. No, for real though. What popped my balloon?
Pogostick.exe.
It's not doing anything. It's over here. Oh, it's beeping like crazy right here. Where could it be? Like for real though. Yeah. It's something with this corner. If it's... Is it invisible? Like what? I just realized something. Yo, I'm right on it, it's saying. I cannot find this clover, bro. It's definitely in here. Oh, I think I know where it is. If it's not in here, I have no idea where it could be then. Oh, it's Yo, green. That means there's a leprechaun. Green. There's a clover. Like in the wall, it looks like. I want this clover. And I might be stuck now. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Ah. No! Let me, like, throw this in. Green light was like right here. I know it for a fact. I didn't just. Oh my gosh. There's definitely one in stage 4 though. Yo, right there. Oh my gosh. I just realized. It's probably detecting this one. I just need my radio back. Stop. What? What?
You remember breakfast sandwich too?
Yeah. Sorry about that. No. It's like something with this. It makes me not be able to not get. Come on. I just needed to drop it on this ledge and then I can go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. You're about to breathe it. No! No! Please, please, please. Stinky. Now let's go. Go. Yes! Wait. It was all a lie. It was all a lie. No. Uh-oh. Wait. Was the one near that a lie though? Yeah, because I dropped it over here, yeah. Yeah. Where could it be? Nope, not in here. Sounds like one's... This one right here. Yo! What is this? Yo, it's the rainbow. Wait. I still have one more to find though. So this one shouldn't be possible. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, I did find 4. Hey, I got it, yay. Or did I? Wait. I don't know. Well, what does this do? Can I sell it for like a bunch? Ooh. What does this do? Should I sell it? I feel like I could sell it. Let me in. I probably shouldn't have done that. Wait, maybe it's a cosmetic? Is it a cosmetic? I have no idea what that was. Yeah. Mountain down to this. Mountain usually goes down. Oh wait, no. Ventilation lake on forest grave circus free reality facility mountain Office, reactor core. Wait. Dragonfish. Yeah, snowboard. Oh, no. Oh. It's probably. Don't need this anymore. Meow. You know what? It's probably in there. What the? What the? What? I'm gonna go inside. What's happening? I don't like this. Oh, this is tricky. What is that? What is that? What is this? What the? What the? No, I don't want to be here. This is terrifying. This is terrifying. This is absolutely scary. I'm falling. Record. What? Stop. Little beans. Record. Beans. Okay, I'll start fishing here in the next video. But, okay. Bye, guys.